Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to review Alpha Infuse Hair Regrowth. Alpha Infuse is one of those hair growth serums that claims to be natural yet powerful. The bottle looks sleek and it's loaded with ingredients like biotin, caffeine, and herbal extracts. I picked it up because it promised visible results in just 4 weeks and claimed to help with hair thinning without using harsh chemicals or prescriptions. Now, the claims. The brand says it can revive dormant follicles, build scalp circulation, and even thicken strands, all using clean, natural ingredients. It's supposed to be safe, everyday alternative to prescription formulas like Minoxidil or finasteride. Honestly, I wanted to love it. It smells nice, feels lightweight, and doesn't leave residue. But after finishing an entire bottle, it didn't really see any major difference. My scalp felt hydrated and my hair looked slightly fuller from the conditioning effect, but in terms of actual regrowth, it just didn't deliver. I checked the label, and while it's packed with vitamins, it's missing any clinically proven hair growth activities, so it feels more like a scalp care serum than a true regrowth treatment. The marketing makes it sound like a miracle cure, but it lacks the heavy hitters: no minoxidil, no peptides, no DHT blockers. It might help with scalp health, but that's about it. Plus, it's not exactly cheap for something that performs like a glorified conditioner. Alpha Infuse looks and feels premium, but if you're serious about hair growth, it's not the one. It's more of a supportive scalp serum than a regrowth solution. I would skip it unless you're just maintaining healthy hair, not trying to regrow lost strands. And that's it. That is my review for the Alpha Infuse Hair Regrowth.